It is day 4 of the game jam, and I'm getting worried. I haven't achieved as much over the last couple of days as I would like, and I'm really finding as soon as I get to anything arty, it's taking several times as long as I would like to make something. Hello, Tipsy. Yes, you're very cute. Several times as long to make something which is not as good as I would like it to be. I think if I was just doing the coding and the design, it would be fine, but I have a lot more than that to do. I have been making progress. Let's have a look at the game. So you can see it's dealing out the cards. The cards are now doing things. So, for example, you'll see that some defense score appears up here. You can move the character between the 3 locations. And you can attack. The attack isn't implemented yet, but it does have a little pop-up. Over here, this energy readout is actually working. It's just not connected to anything. And for the first time, we have a turn structure. So if I use these, you can see that it doesn't immediately deal cards. I have to end my turn, and then it will deal cards. So the kind of the pieces that I need to make the game are there. But there's still quite a lot to do to actually have something that is playable, yet alone playable and fun. And I'm definitely going to have to scale back all of my ambitions. You can see with the cards, I was planning in normal card game style to have a different image for each of the kind of cards. I think we're going to have to cut right back to only having probably 3 different card backs and then kind of a rarity indicator on it. And I need a ship, I need some enemies. I mean, my intention was that I would have the game unfold over 16 rounds. So you would start with a deck of 22 cards and end with a deck of 7. And in the middle of that, you would get probably 2 bosses, like a mid-boss and an end-boss, and 2 more challenging sort of half-boss elite-style fights. As well as a mix of other slightly escalating enemies. I think that's probably not going to be possible. But we'll see how I get on. I mean, once I've got the framework of the game working, it should be fairly quick to add things in. But of course, there's also balancing and polish and then explaining the game to any players that need to be done. And after this point, I have essentially 2 days. I mean, it needs to be submitted Saturday morning, so I can do like a little bit of work maybe on Saturday morning, but really it needs to be finished Friday night. I was intending to have a playable game on Tuesday. That didn't happen. Then I was intending to have it today, and that didn't happen. So yeah, a lot less optimistic about the game than I have been. I think there is a core of a good game there, but whether I can bring that out in the time I have available to me, who knows? I don't know. Check back with me tomorrow and maybe things will be looking better. See you.